Good morning, good morning. So we got this 20, what year is this? 96 Toyota Camry, and the issue of this car, he said he got this sign right there. Let me zoom it. Okay, let's zoom in. So that sign right there. So that's brake light. So there's a malfunction on your brake light. So that sign. Okay. So let's go check our brake light. Let's grab this. Let's see which one is not functioning properly. Okay, so put a stick on there. Then which side? Oops. Oh, here, this side, driver's side. All right, that's easy. Okay, let's remove this. Let's open the trunk. Where do we? Is this? Yeah. Then I think we just need to loosen this. Okay, and one. Come on. Yay. Okay. There we go. Oh. Oh, okay. I think there's like 2 bolts in here. And also there. Let me check. This is one piece. So 2 bolts there. Then I think 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 bolts. Okay, let's go get our tools. All right. So number 10. So let's start. Okay, 1, 2 there. Come on. Okay. And then this is this 2 over here. Let's zoom it. Zoom. See it? Yeah. Hope that's number. Oh boy. Okay. This is number 8. Number 8. Alright. Nice. Okay. Now let's remove it. What? Oh, you don't need to remove this. Only this two. What the heck? Oh, come on. Anyway, hold on. Okay, let's push this. Oh, no, 1 sec. Let me. Oh, right there. There's a tab over there. Come on, dudes. Go. And what? that. Okay. Okay. Then push this. Alright. I think you see that. Zoom, 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 zoom. Right there. Hold on. So just push it. And the second one, same thing. There you go. Oh, there you go. No. Only this. Forget about this one. Look at that. Alright. Nice. So where's your, I think this one, brake light. Let me check. Okay, so it should be somewhere over here. This one. Oh, oops. This one. It's an old style. Yeah. It's broken right there. Let's go check. New one. Okay. So it's not a new, it's a used one. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna work. Should gonna work, yeah. Alright. See that? There. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. Come on, baby. What? Okay. That's a big one. I think. Yeah. Nice. Just put it there. There you go. Wow. That was fast. Okay. Let's go check the dashboard if we still have that sign. There you go. No more. That's only the, what's that? No, that's seat belt. No more. That's it. Done. Next one.